All right, let's be real for a second. Just for a second. Who doesn't want to make money while doing absolutely nothing, right? Who doesn't want that? Well, all right, let's start. Maybe not nothing, but at least without trading every single hour of your life for a paycheck. See, that's the beauty of passive income, right? It's like setting up a money making machine that keeps rolling in cash even while you're binge watching Netflix or sleeping like a baby or doing things that'll make a baby. Now, not all passive income ideas are created equal. Let's keep that for real. Let's keep that straight up. Let's make sure everybody know that. Some require a little more effort and a little bit more work up front. But once it's rolling, passive income can generate thousands per month on autopilot. So let's dive into the 5 of the best ways to make money while living your best life. But before we do that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon. Put in work, a business funding specialist, online marketer, family man, and a fitness enthusiast. Also, the creator of thewealthbuilders.com. That's the wealthbuilders with a Z.com. The business website that will have you making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business. And all it takes is you clicking the links in the description and get started today. Alright, so check those out. So without further ado, let's get into the top 5 ways to make or build passive income so you can get up to thousands of dollars or more per month. So number 1, YouTube. Yes, even if you're not a celebrity, YouTube is basically the modern day gold rush. And no, you don't need to be Mr. Beast to make money. So here's how it works. Create a YouTube channel, obviously. Pick a niche that people actually care about. It could be tech, finance, gaming, food, or even how to keep your house plant alive if you're into that kind of stuff. All right. Post consistently. I recommend 3 to 4 times a week, and monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Once you hit YouTube's criteria, then you can start making money through YouTube ads. Pair that with affiliate marketing, linking to products you review or recommend, and boom, you could be making an extra $1,000 or more per month. All right, now, do remember, the best kind of content is evergreen content, videos that stay relevant over time, because those videos keep making money even when you take a break. Okay, keep that in mind. Number 2, selling digital products. Make it once, sell it all your life, right? Sell it forever. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it forever. That's the magic of digital products. This could be ebooks like How to Stop Procrastinating and Actually Get Rich, online courses that teach people, a skill you're good at, printables. You know what I'm saying? You could do budget planners, workout guides, meal planners, etc., etc., etc. Stock photos or design templates if you're artsy. You can sell these on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. And after some upfront effort, the sales roll in on autopilot. No inventory, no shipping, no stress, right? And you can bundle multiple digital products for higher price points, right? It's an easy way to boost profits. Like you can put each 2-3 different ebooks together and sell it for a little bit more, All right, number 3, affiliate marketing. I like this one the best. Make money by suggesting other people's things, right? Affiliate marketing is basically getting paid to recommend products or services. If you ever told a friend or told another friend and a friend told another friend, you need to buy this, congrats, you're already halfway there. So how it works is you sign up to an affiliate program like an Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank, etc., etc., etc. You share special links to products in your blog, YouTube videos, or social media posts. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Some high-ticket affiliate programs pay anywhere between $50 to $500 per sale, so you don't need thousands of people to make serious money. Now, you need to promote things people actually need and will buy anyway, right? Fancy blenders, maybe. $10,000 luxury handbags, probably not. Just saying. Number 4, real estate. Even if you're not a landlord, owning rental properties is a classic passive income stream. But let's be honest, dealing with tenants who forget to pay rent isn't for everyone. Luckily, you can still make real estate money without being a landlord. See, real estate investment trusts, aka REITs, all you gotta do is invest in real estate through stocks and get paid dividends. Okay, you can do Airbnb arbitrage. Rent a property, furnish it, sublet it on Airbnb for profit, right? And boom, you got money. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise invest in real estate projects with as little as $10. See, these methods let you earn passive income without the headaches of fixing broken toilets at 2 a.m., right? And if you do own property, hire a property manager. So your rental income is truly passive. And number 5, print on demand, right? Make merch without touching inventory. If you got a sense of humor or a few catchy phrases in mind, print on demand can be a gold mine. And how it works is you design shirts, mugs, hoodies, stickers, or whatever people buy, upload your designs to platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printful, or even Vistaprint. Maybe not Vistaprint, but you get the drift. When someone buys, the company prints and ships it, you just collect the profit. You don't need to deal with inventory, shipping, or customer service. Just upload, promote, and let the sales roll in. Okay? Now, trendy niche designs style better, like funny cat dad shirts. Those are like a gold mine. So keep that in mind. And we got a bonus for y'all. Small business loan broker. Help others get paid. If you love connecting people with money, being a small business loan broker is a fantastic way to generate passive income. Small businesses consistently need funding, and brokers help match them with the right lenders. And basically, it's like you partner with loan providers who offer commission-based referrals, find small business owners in need of funding, connect them with lenders, and earn a percentage of the loan amount. The best part is, once you build a network of lenders and businesses, you can start seeing recurring commissions. It's a win-win, right? You help businesses grow, and you make money in the process. So, with that being said, you want to build relationships with accountants and financial advisors and entrepreneurs to create a steady stream of referrals and, keep people rolling in. And if you want to learn how to do this, which, because I do it, and you can get on my team and start making us lots of money, click the link in the description. Okay? Now, the bottom line is that getting passive income is one of those things that, sounds really easy, but you don't understand. You have to put the effort up front. See, because this can turn into serious money over time. So which one are you starting first? Okay? Which one? Put it in the comments below. So thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work, Burke. Signing off for passive income ideas that make $1,000 plus per month without losing your mind. Do remember, what builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.